Phumon, what makes you feel ukuthi wena ikasi lasemjida noma ungafika kuphi in the world ekwenza ukuthi ufeel ukuthi mina noma ngenzakalani mina ngingumjida wasekasi?
Okay, leyo simple kakhulu. Thanks to God for unginikeza ifame. Ngibonga lokho.
Yeah.
Understand. Okay, ngi out yasekasi ngani? Ngi grand ebantwini.
Yeah.
I've got a good heart. Abangaziyo bayangazi. And everywhere hayi ukuthi ngidlalisa ngemali. Mama sekhaya hayi ukuthi ngidlalisa ngemali.
Sengiyafana ngemali.
Hayi ukuthi ngidlalisa ngemali. Sengiyasho nje ngiyakhona ukuthi mangifika ekasi if I'll see ukuthi okay nginabantu ngikhule nabo. Hayi ukuthi mina nginemali.
Amara abantu basekasi bahlala bethanda abantu basekasi bathanda ukucela imali.
Yeah, but hayi ukuthi mina sengiyazikhulumela manje ukuthi hayi ukuthi mina nginemali.
Yeah.
If I have, I always make sure ukuthi
okay
naba amajensi asekasi bablomile and nabana fokolo and mina ngisasekhanyana out ngithi yabo leyo is enye ke engenza ukuthi ngibe out yama out ekasi ne enye into ile nhlonipho enginayo everywhere whether ngisesowethu ngiyahlonipha whether ngikuphi ngiyahlonipha irespect and being humble lento leyo iyasiza uzohlezi uyi out uzothandeka i-out kwamele ibe nenhlonipho ibe ubuntu yeah understand i-respect phelela lapho. If you don't have this three, then I fana nje negogogo because you are not approachable.
I hear you. Yeah. I want you to take me through the first time you knew that you are gifted. Like yini into ekwenza ukuthi uyazi ukuthi amara mina ngine talent, mina ngina something different from other people.
Okay, ayile ngayidiscover kudala ngisasoboy. Way back before ngizohlangana nomngane nami engimthandayo Sandile.
Yes.
Yebo, way back. Kwenzakaleni besisesikolweni eprimary. So bengidlule emaklasini so bekune like ichoir unominera shayisi aculisa abantu ichoir conductor na. Lo manje maloku busy conduct abantu lapha yana mina ngiyadlula ngiyacula la.
I-primary school yakho ifundele
eBosile eKagiso.
Okay.
Yeah. So mina bengidlula nje iziculela nje but I was not a member choir. So ba busy bayacula ngapha ngazi mhlambe bekabamisile or kwenzakala mina bengizidlulela nje I wonder bengicula ingoma eBoys to Men or in because I used to love Boys to Men back then. So ngidlula ngiziculela ngiyale umenero wabheka waphuma ngespeed azongibiza sani hlakwani yabo so kahle konje uma ngingamtshela ukuthi okay nake mkete angikopele pinensi yabe so ngamculela ethi mangicela ukucula wathatho nje
awuna choice
so kulangona khona ukuthi akusho ukuthi lento engiphethe from that ebengicula kuphela esikoleni why
nase lento zaneni assembly biwe
no assembly nje eshingikhule ngishaya my sister.
Yeah.
Ngishaya so sometimes bekuzo mhlambe umenere it will take a teacher to say akucelele ngoma leya.
Oh, but when angeke uyenze voluntarily.
Yeah.
Okay. And then I know that you have supporting ekhaya when like they believe and they believed in you even back then. So mabuye ekhaya batshela ukuthi usekhwayeni, did they take it? Ukuthi okay you can do whatever.
Ikhaya esikolweni. Yeah, no babe bangisupporta kakhulu especially umama uye umuntu supportive. Yeah, they all supported me and my brothers. Kahle nasekhaya bakhona abacula kancane understand.
Ama highlights wakho kule industry. Yiphi performance ocabanga ngayo na today uthi leya ngayivithiza.
My sister. Oh, there was a performance bathi endaweni enye so bathi Monsoon Lagoon.
Okay.
Yeah, inkulu man Monsoon.
Where is that?
Somewhere around Joburg ngisazi kuphi.
Yeah.
Because the posters phela besingene emotweni.
Ngibona senifikile.
Bona nje ngiyangazi iMonsoon ingakuphi. But I remember the name of indawo Monsoon Lagoon. So my wife back then she was my girlfriend.
Yes.
Yeah. So and including my parents so bebezosibheka la. Yabona kule performance leyana sure ngizizwile ukuthi yazi ngisebenzile ethe mangiphuma lapha bengishiye ne voice ngicule show ngenza show ukuthi ngibayangibona even nokudance ubonakala ukuthi lo muntu lento unayo akangabazi yabo.
So now yakhumbula ukuthi back then bekunale pressure ukuthi we need to sing things ngesilungu more than our native languages or African languages.
Yo.
How did it make you feel until now you decided ukuthi wena you want to do izinto ngesintu sakho?
Lento leya mina bengikhawatha because back then ukutshela Vara mina as a guy benguye nesilungu besingavuke kahle ngisho.
Okay.
I don't want to lie about it. English was something which is just giving me problems.
But as mina ngikhumbula yazi or nathi isilungu besingasazi so besingaboni into wrong.
No, you people were not seeing anything, but mina umuntu yazazi. It was very much difficult for me ukuthi ngihlale phansi, take a pen and paper and try to write ezinye izinto ngesilungu yakufloweki. Okay, I'll get 2 lines, 3 lines, and mostly I wanted that vinegar in there.
Uyang understand? Ngikubona ukuthi uhlala uyithi chatha vele.
So ngidina kabi lento le khuluma Vara.
So now I want us to go the highlights. Coca-Cola Popstars. Who linked you to that? Because of ukhumbule kudala sasingenama social media, izinto eziningi sasizithole emaphepheni or uzoyibona lapho yana eTVini into ezinjalo. I know that time nina at least bese nina yabona Juve beningoko Gem Early and all that. How did you find out about that? And then even the courage to go uyoqala indaba ye Gem Early.
Yo, my sister, I don't wanna lie. I am blessed. I'm very much blessed ukuthi ngizohlangana nomngane uMsandile. The guy was so much informed. Especially ukuthi
nene beyithatha nje beyithatha
wanda because thina angithi bekuthiwa isonevile kusegunduzi wathi sihlala eplazini
exactly
eplazini kanjani because lesiphumelela lapha yana into yethu besiyenza you understand so uSandile came up with this wangitshela ukuthi into kube kunila and ukhumbula bengaka advertiser nase TV ukuthi wangitshela before ama audition azo take indawo yana you understand bazocala you understand wangitshela mhlambe it was maybe 2 or 3 weeks before ngitshela kuninto so competition so mnganami 1 2 3 yabona le ngoma lezo zethu so leya verse yakho leyana nale hayi singabulala ngaso sho ay ngibe excited kakhulu and then kufike la kumele siye khona then sathola enye Grootman bathu Veli and then kulapho zonke izinto zacala khona saya
masifika Joburg ayisekude Joburg ngaleso sikhathi
bese Midrand bekuyigalaka estate.
Oh okay,
somewhere I think,
but it was still far. Midrand is closer here. It was still far from Isoneville.
Hey, mara besifika thanks to Veli.
Yeah. So now ukhumbula ukuthi back then phela yayingekho le ndaba ukuthi you will apply online. Ushayela ama line amade lawayana. Uyalamba, ulale uvuke.
Uyawuthasekazi, ngaphathi angafoko. Mara thanks to Braveli, yazi Braveli udlalile indima. La Grootman angiyakhala ngayo. Bese sometimes besiningi imali nyana but uveli you buy things nyana seseline imfuthina majezi kuphapisana.
So uzonihlalisa the whole day ubaba uveli uzohlala nani the whole day.
That guy believed in us. Bekayazi ukuthi labafana laba I know ngiyabamamela.
Yazi uNkulunkulu siyabadinga abantu abafana nawe Butveli Sithole siyabadinga abantu abafana nawe because nowadays asisenayo leyo nto leyo kakhulu you know.
Abantu abasanathando, I don't know what's happening. Abantu abasana support kwabanye nje abantu bayayiluza.